says, when he turns to her, for some, because you're telling me that the place where all the fighting starts from is the place where it's supposed to end? Because I don't have any other raised voices in my house except hers. And nobody else is angry in my house except her. The men. They translate this as subservient, like meaning have qunut. Say, so only one who can keep a household calm is the and cool temper. Because saying Allah himself, what happens in relationships, one of them just putting someone in a subservient. Bima hafidhallah, because of what Allah ordained should be guarded. To guard. So words on their phone and the husband says, "Can I see your phone?" No. No. Eraser. We cannot. The private wife is actually completely scared. With a Have no secrets between yourself and them. That's the description of a spouse, a husband and a wife. Then that's والصالحات قانتات حافظات للغيب بما حفظ الله.